My name is Rob Avis, and I run Verge Permaculture here in Calgary, Alberta. Right now, we're standing in front of our passive solar greenhouse that we've been operating for close to 7 years. In this case study, Michelle and myself are going to talk about what has worked with this greenhouse as well as what has not. Sometimes I find the best way to learn about how to design and run your own passive solar greenhouse is to learn from other people's mistakes. Michelle's going to talk about all the ways that she manages the greenhouse throughout the year, as well as some of the problems that we've had while we've been operating this. I'm going to go through all the different technical components on the greenhouse in terms of glazing, overhang, layout inside, and venting, and talk to you about what has worked and what hasn't, and if I was to design this greenhouse again, what I would likely change. I hope you get a ton out of this case study. Make sure you leave your comments below.